Welcome to the Global Affairs Academy. Let's review Prime Minister Narendra Modi two-day special visit to Japan. In the backdrop of India-US trade deal setback or stalemate, Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the 15th India-Japan Annual Summit in Tokyo. He and Prime Minister Ishiba exchanged agreement. Prime Minister Modi also invited his Japanese counterpart to visit India for the next annual summit. Prime Minister Modi arrived in Japan's capital city Tokyo. As part of this plan, 50,000 skilled and semi-skilled Indian workers are expected to move to Japan. Again, the backdrop of trade-related uncertainties with the United States, Prime Minister Modi on Friday made a strong case for investing in India, declaring that the Indian economy will very soon be the third largest economy in the world. Addressing the India-Japan Economic Forum in Tokyo, Mr. Modi said that most Japanese companies find India attractive, adding that India is a springboard to access the global south. Welcoming the visiting Indian Prime Minister, Japan announced a private investment target of 10 trillion yen for India over the next decade. Japanese companies have invested more than $40 billion in India. In the last 2 years alone, there has been private investment of $13 billion. Japan Bank of International Cooperation (JBIC) says India is the most promising destination. Japan Trade Organization says 80% of companies want to expand in India and 75% are already profitable. The Prime Minister said, which means in India, capital just doesn't grow, it multiplies. Prime Minister Modi was presented with a traditional Daruma doll, seen as a symbol of good luck. This special gesture reaffirms the close civilizational and spiritual ties between India and Japan. The Daruma doll is considered auspicious in Japan culture. Thank you.